news of the new order tonight. Appreciate you. We now turn to one of the most other controversial parts of this law. I know more than one part of it is. This is the ban on even handing out food and water as people exercise their right to vote if they get stuck in one of those long lines. We've certainly seen them. Now, Brian Whiteside is Solicitor General for Gwinnett County in Georgia. And he's also making news tonight by saying he will not enforce that provision in the new law. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, sir.
What exactly are you saying you intend to do?
Well, basically, we're not going to prosecute someone who is not campaigning or has partisan paraphernalia on. Someone who is nonpartisan, someone who's not campaigning, we were not going to prosecute them for simply giving food and drink out. And this happened continuously last year, where people who were not campaigning basically bought food and water to people to help them due to the heat and the hot conditions.
Now, is your contention that you found some kind of loophole in the law, or that you are simply not going to follow part of the law?
No, what is in the law, basically the law, there's no rational basis for the law. When you commit to a criminal law, there has to be a basis that there's going to be harm to a party or to property. There's no harm in someone being humane. So there's no actual criminal nexus here to be humane.
Let me ask you the follow-up.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you a follow-up, because a lot of people might agree with you, sir, and that's why we've covered the problems with the law. But what do you say to the critique that may sound no different than someone who opposes marriage equality and says they're not going to issue those marriage licenses and these other controversies we've had? In other words, does this just come down to your opinion above what the law states?
Well, I think when you look at the rational basis of the law, there is no rational basis. It basically says that they're going to arrest someone for merely having water, giving water out. I take an oath to seek justice. It would be unjust for a police officer to arrest someone for merely giving someone some type of nutrition or hydration.
It's a very interesting stance you've taken, which is why we wanted to spotlight it. Also, as you know, one that many are debating within a law that, if it stays in the books, remains quite debatable. So we wanted to hear from you as well as the mayor, Brian Whiteside. Thanks for making time for us tonight.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.